Hello, my name is Ben, and on this YouTube channel I document my own print-on-demand journey. Today I'd like to show you how you can upload your designs to Spreadshirt. I normally use an automated upload tool, but the upload process on Spreadshirt is quite simple, and the platform is the one which works best for me at the moment in terms of sales. So even though I've only really started only 2.5 months ago or so, I already make some good sales on Spreadshirt, especially Spreadshirt Europe. And therefore, I just want to show you, if you're thinking about starting with Spreadshirt, how the upload process actually works. So when you are in your sort of dashboard and you click on designs, you can click on upload more designs or just drag them here. So you don't only need to upload just one, you can pull several ones in. But it's I show you one example here. This is one of my designs. So what you have to do, you upload and then it's processed. And we'll wait a few seconds because when it's processing, you can't really do anything with it. So now it says action required. You need to know obviously what you need to do. So you click on it. And then, I think they've sort of changed it recently. I can't remember that I've ever done that before, but it says your vector graphic has been optimized for better print results. Your design was centered and the transparent area was reduced. Please confirm the changes. And I think you have to do that. What they do is, I think they've got a different format. The ones that I normally upload are, the Amazon merch design, 4,500 by 5,400. I think they've got a different one. So anyway, we'll click confirm selection and then we're good to start the actual upload or design process. So obviously then you click on here. It says not published yet because we've uploaded the design here, but we haven't actually put it onto any products. So we're going to do that now. Okay, and then you come to this sort of overview here, and it shows you the standard products which they have selected for you. And as you can see here, it only says chosen products 22 out of 151. So I think 151 products are actually, you can put your design on up to 151 products. But some designs don't work with some products. So for example, you wouldn't put an adult design onto a sort of baby onesie or something. So you want to make sure that you don't select any designs which don't any products which don't work. But what I normally use, or what I do, so you can either click on all available products here, and then you can manually select them all. So you do this by clicking on here. So you can select or deselect any of these 151 products manually. Now, this is quite a bit of work, obviously. So there is another way, which I'm going to show you in a minute. But what you can also do here, you can select here the color, which you want to be, the color of the product on your thumbnail. And obviously this depends on your design. But if you have a design like I have here, like a blue one, that pretty much doesn't work that well on a white one because it's quite a light blue. So you rather would like to, I'd rather normally select a darker color. And then, you can click cancel now because I'll show you something else. Because what there are product templates, and this helps you speed up the process. So let's say, for example, that you generally produce designs which look good on a dark product, like a dark t-shirt, then you can create yourself a template for all designs which work well on a dark background. So what you have to do then, you have to do this, and you select all your products you want it on and the colors. And then you will normally have them all here in your selection. And what you can then do is click on product templates, and then you can save your selection as a template, and you can always use that. Now, I have already some templates here that I've created for me. So what I normally do is, I think it's this one. Let me see. Yeah. So this is what I have selected, normally as a standard, and it works pretty well for me. And I see that on my sales. So it means you can also in this template define how big you want your design to look. So you can change this also at any time and then change it again. So for example, this one is pretty big actually. But what you can do here, when you change your template, you can make it a bit smaller, a bit bigger. On Spreadshirt, at least for me, it works pretty well when they are quite big. So yeah, you can change that, and then every design will look the same in terms of size on the product when you select this template. Now you could also select a template or create a template where where the product is the design is a bit smaller, and then you can always decide which one you use when you do the upload process. For example, another one here is this one. On this one, I've got the design a little bit smaller. Yeah. And here again, a bit larger. So it's all about personal preference. I think at least the design needs to be, readable, and because otherwise people won't click on it. And yeah, as you can see here, obviously I've selected products which are dark and work well with a design which has a brighter color. And what you can then do is, when you've selected your template and you can see here your chosen products, then you click on next. And all you need to do then is give it a name. So for example, in this case, I could call it chill out, relax, or relax and chill out. And then you can add a description here. Just anything, and then you put your tags like relax, chill, and they already recommend some here. This speeds up the process a little bit as well. So they've got related tag suggestions. So this is pretty good actually. Lazy, sleeping, bed, tired. So you can obviously also use a there are obviously various tools like keyword tools that you can use also for Spreadshirt. But just to show you how it works here, I'll just show you that, and then you can click on create, and then it's pending. When it's pending, it means they are going to check it. Sometimes it shows pending here, but when I go back to my dashboard, it will already show as a product. So we're going to test that now. Now it still says pending. But as soon as it will go into product, or it says published, and normally it doesn't take long. Sometimes if if something in your design or keywords or description is picked up by the algorithm, they will go through it manually. But I normally don't have any problem with that. They don't like if you create too many designs which are too similar, then they will reject some. But just because it doesn't adhere to their community standards, they want a lot of individual designs, and so just keep them individual, just keep them genuine, and create unique designs. But normally it doesn't take long, and then it's immediately published, it's immediately available on the marketplace. It's not like on TeePublic where some designs are hidden, which is what I like on Spreadshirt. They are always online, and I think new designs are always pushed as well. So for customers, they can actually search for the latest published designs, and then this sort of pushes your designs as well and gives them a greater chance to sell, at least in the beginning. And this is how Spreadshirt works. And you could also see how I put my designs on the product in terms of which size I use. And if you have any comments about that, let me know in the comment section. I'm still learning as well. And I hope this video was useful. If you liked it, then please smash the like button. And if you want to follow me on my print on demand journey, then please subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.